welcome to my channel Turn to Technology. My name is Asif Khan, and as we know we are doing PLC training, and in the last video we have already started Mitsubishi software. So in this class we will discuss about the continue process, timer and use of counter in the program. So let's start today's video. Let's start our today's video. Again we have to create a new project. PLC series, that is FX CPU, PLC type FX1S. So we have a new project now like this, and today I'm going to make a program with timer. So let's make. I'm using shortcut keys LD for NO, so LD X1, out, that is Y1, or Y1 for the holding purpose, and LD Y1 NO contact of Y1 timer के लिए, for timer type OUT out space timer number T1 and K100 for 10 seconds. So after that we will use LD for timer, LD space T1 NO contact of timer, and use output OUT out Y2. I think this is enough, and I am going to use NC contact here. So LDI X2. So this is enough. So let's check it. F4 for convert, and now simulator mode. This is our simulator mode. Click on simulator mode. So the process is going on, and this take as much like 10 seconds to go. Now the program is ready for testing. Done. So we have to check, we have to press X1, so device test. We have to switch on X1, so force on. You can check output Y1 on and timer is still going on. So after timer, output is Y2 is on. I hope it's clear. Now I have to press this button. So click on this, right click, device test, and force on. When I push this button, X2, output off, and timer T1 is connected to Y1. So if Y1 is off, so timer off, and timer off, so Y2 automatically off. I hope it's clear to all. Now let's make a different program. That means I have to take NC for this. So I have to insert a line here. So right click on this, insert line, click on insert line. Now hold Y1. So LD, or space T1. Okay, so timer Y1 will be off, and after that I have used timer for Y2, and now I am using NO contact of Y2. So again timer OUT out T2 and space K50, that is 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, output this will again off. So LDI T2. So timer 2 will off output Y2 after 5 seconds. I hope it's clear. So let's convert it by pressing F4. Now simulator mode. Click on simulator mode, and it takes some little time, like 10 seconds to go. It's taking 10 seconds for upgrading or converting this. Now program is converting. Now converting is done, so it's coming in the, so let's test it. So we have to press X1, so device test, here is X1, force on, output 1 on, timer start and is still going on, and Y2 on after 5 seconds, because switch is already pressed, so we have to stop this one and then close. Now let's see, Y1 on after 5 seconds, Y2 will be off. I hope it's clear. Now let's make a repeat program. Okay, now this is our repeat process program. I have used X1 for operating Y1, then after Y1 will operate timer 1 and timer 1 will off Y2, and after some time I have used T2 for after some time Y1 will be off on automatically, so this process will be continue. So I am going to operate in simulator mode. Logic is, so it is coming in the simulator mode, so it takes almost little time. So the process is basically continue for some time. I hope it's clear to all. This is very simple. Okay, Y1 will be operated from X1, and then after some time Y1 will be off, and after some time Y1 will be on automatically. So I'm going to press this switch, device test, so force on and force off. So that means again timer is continue on, after some time it will be on, फिर after some time it will be off, after some time it will be on Y1. I hope it's clear to all. It's very simple question. Now I'm going to put a counter in this program. Okay, so stop, I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to stop this. I'm using counter for this. So for the counters take some time for the write mode. So I'm going to put here, so LDT2, I'm going to put LDT2, and then after out space counter 1 or CK5, that means after 5 value process will be stopped, LDI C1. Clear? So now let's check this program. So again it's take some time and program is converting. So I am only using counter in this process. So after 5 repetitions, C1 will be converted into NO, and this will stop the process for Y1. Now press this X1, press on, because we are using press push button. So output timer is on, and let's check the value of counter. So here is C1, you can see value counter receive C1. Now it will be C2, and again the process continue, it will be C3, and output continuously on and off by using the timer. So this is the repetition process. The value of C4 counter 1 is 4 now, and there after 5, so it will be NO. Now the process is complete. So here you can see counter value is 5, and after 5 value NC of counter 1 is become NO, and Y1 is off. I hope it's clear to all. So in the next class we will discuss about compare block in PLC. So if you understand the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.